Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before starting watching this video, please subscribe and watch to end.
Demand for mortgage loans in the U.S. rose sharply last week, with the long-term interest rate falling to a two-year low as the Federal Reserve's decision on key borrowing costs awaited today. Data released Wednesday by the Mortgage Bankers Association showed that total applications for mortgage loans rose 14.2% last week. This coincided with the interest rate on 30-year mortgages falling to 6.15% from 6.29% during the same period, recording its lowest level since September 2022, and is 116 basis points, 1.16%, lower than the level of the same week last year. Joel Kahn, an economist at the association, said that mortgage application activity increased sharply last week thanks to the contribution of expectations of monetary easing by the Federal Reserve in reducing interest rates on this type of loan. The data also indicated that applications for refinancing rose by 24% and are 127% higher than the same week in 2023.